How to capture a full page like this on your iPhone within seconds. In today's video guys, I'll guide you on how to screenshot and capture a full page on your iPhone. This is very simple. So let's open any website here. So we've opened this website and taking screenshots on iPhone using the default method by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, just like this. Now tap on this to review. Now that review it, here you have two options: the screen and full page. Tap on full page. Once tap on full page, now it comes up like this. Then put your finger here and drag down. You see the full page you screenshot here on this. Now go ahead and tap on this share button. Once tap on the share button, it comes up like this. Then scroll up, tap to save file. Now once you tap to save file, it comes up like this. Locate the file you want to save it and know the specific place you are saving this project. Now tap on save. Once tap on save, then you can as well tap on this share button. Now you can share this. Now to access the screenshot you saved, go to file on your device. File is an inbuilt apps. You may need to install it on your device. Tap on it. So you have to locate where you save the file to, which is download. Tap on download. Now here is it. Let's tap on it and open it. You can see it here. Here is how it looks like. Now to open this, put your finger and expand like this. Now scroll up. You can see that you've been able to save this on your phone without losing the quality. So guys, this is the full process guys on how to capture a full page on your iPhone without stress. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.